Imagine creating jaw-dropping marketing visuals without hiring a pro, burning your budget, or risking a copyright lawsuit. That's exactly what Adobe Firefly is aiming to do, and it might just be the most important AI image tool you haven't tried yet. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if this helps you out. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's generative AI tool built into Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and other creative cloud apps. It lets you generate images, text effects, video content, and vector art using just a prompt. And everything it creates is commercially safe. That's huge. Unlike many AI tools that scrape the internet without consent, Firefly is trained on Adobe stock and public domain content. This means you don't have to worry about copyright infringement, lawsuits, or takedown notices. Firefly's features are powerful. You can turn text into images for custom marketing content, use generative fill to add or remove objects in photos, or apply stunning text effects like metallic or watercolor styles. It also lets you animate still images, generate videos from prompts, and even translate videos into other languages to reach global audiences. For marketers, this means faster testing, scaling, and iterating without waiting on designers or photographers. Firefly also stands out for transparency. Thanks to Adobe's work with the Coalition for Content Provenance and Authenticity, Firefly embeds digital content credentials in every image. These tags reveal who created the asset, what changes were made, and include hidden watermarks, all to ensure your content is authentic and traceable. Want to create better content? Here's how to get the most from Firefly. Use specific prompts with real-world references. Generate assets, then fine-tune them directly in Photoshop or Illustrator. Create multiple versions for A/B testing to find what converts best. Now, you might be wondering how Firefly compares to GPT-4o. While GPT-4o creates stunning results fast, it isn't yet reliable for commercial use due to copyright uncertainty. Firefly may not always produce polished final assets, but it's safe, integrated into pro tools, and built for businesses. Adobe still has room to improve. Some creators feel their compensation for training data was too low, but at least they're trying to build responsibly. That's more than most. In short, Adobe Firefly gives you creative freedom without legal headaches. If you're serious about using AI in your marketing, this tool is worth your attention. Check out the related video in the corner to see Firefly in action and learn how to level up your content even more.